You good boy. Yeah. Cicadas is everywhere. You hear that? Huh? And your mourn dove is right there. He's mad because we're outside. He cannot eat. His food is right there. Yeah. Why is it? I want in there too. Cicadas. Cicadas. It's a red eye. Yeah. Red eye. Peanut don't like it. Peanut, no. You ready to go home? Yeah? That's yes? Huh? Okay, that's a yes. Cicadas is flying towards you. Yeah. You want cicadas? Oop, you shit. Flew away. Flowers. I put too early the papaya and the dragon fruit. See? It's dying because it'll be cold. Put it too early. Same with that one. So bad. Papaya, tomato, tomato. You ready? Huh? You are? Go home? Yeah? You ready? Yeah? You have to cut grass. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.